Hey, what's up? Arman here, and I'm doing another unboxing video and fragrance review. So this time around, it's from the house of Stefan Umberluca, and it's called SOLEIL de JEDDAH. So this is the first time that I managed to get a bottle from this house. It's based in Paris, and this was launched in 2013. The perfumer for this fragrance is Stefan Umberluca. So we're going to unbox this right now, and later I will be trying. Well, it's not really trying, but I will be spraying because I've smelled this before. Again, I'll be spraying this in order to test it out once more. I managed to learn about this fragrance from a friend. That was last year. And when I first tried this, I thought that it has a very elegant, luxurious, soapy feel. The fragrance is very soapy and powdery, but you know, towards the end, as it dries down, it gives off a very animalic leather scent, which is really quite surprising because you never really imagine that something soapy, something fruity, something powdery can turn animalic. So opening it right now. And this is the box. This is how it looks inside, and this is the fragrance. Wow, look at that bottle. So that bottle has a very, you know, Middle Eastern vibe, I think. It's gold plated or gold color, and it has if you can see here, there's a, I don't know if this is, what kind of a stone is this. Anyway, opening it and spraying it. Okay, so the notes of this fragrance are osmanthus, chamomile, lemon, iris, vanilla, leather, and ambergris. So both chamomile and osmanthus are actually used for tea infusions. So in a way, this kind of smells very, you know, tea-like. Plus with the lemon, it actually would smell very, very fresh. Again, this is really so nice. I haven't really smelled anything like this. It's fruity because of the osmanthus. Of course, you all know what chamomile is, and I guess you get that apricot fruity smell from the osmanthus. It's also a bit powdery because of the iris. There's some freshness in it because of the lemon, but as it dries down, you know, you can detect a bit of the ambergris. I don't detect the leather yet, but you know, as it develops, as it dries down further, this will turn into a different direction and smell more animalic because of the leather. It's also a little bit sweet because of the vanilla. So it's actually very nice. I'm actually, you know, thrilled to have gotten a bottle of this because number one, it's not very easy to obtain. You have to order it from either the website or from online sites abroad. It's not yet available here in the Philippines, and it's not actually widely available yet. But you know, this is something that has gotten a lot of good reviews. Another fragrance from that house, Mortal Skin, is also getting a lot of hype. So maybe that's also my next purchase. So again, beautiful fragrance. Now it's you know, it's losing its fruitiness, it's losing its freshness, and it's going into a more animalic direction, completely different from when I first sprayed it. So I think you know, this kind of fragrance is something which is appropriate for daytime and nighttime use, but mostly I think nighttime. Could be appropriate also for office use because of the freshness, because of the fruitiness. It's not it doesn't scream out loud, although you know, you can smell the leathery sweetness of the fragrance, but it's very subtle. So anyway, thanks for watching this video, and I hope that you tune in for more videos and subscribe and like this video. Thanks, bye.